Hello students, again we discuss chapter number 4 colonialism and countryside. In the previous chapter I told you about the colonial rule which was first established in Bengal. Is that clear? After that I told you about the permanent settlement. First of all I want to tell you about who's involved in the permanent settlement. British, Jamindars and Jotdar. So let me start that. In the permanent settlement was made with Rajas. It was made with Rajas and Talukdars. Rajas and Talukdars. Talukdar mean to say middleman, to whom we called Jotdar. Is that clear? So it was with the Jamindars and Talukdars. Now they were classified as Jamindars. Both people were classified, this and that people were classified now as Jamindars. Is that clear? So they now had to pay the fixed revenue. Now they had to pay the fixed revenue and fixed amount, you can say, of revenue to the company for all time. To the company for all time. There were several villages. There were several villages under the Jamindar. These villages under the Jamindar. According to company, the villages falling under Jamindari. Villages falling under Jamindari formed one revenue estate. One company fixed the total demand over entire state. Is that clear? One company fixed the total amount entire state. Entire estate. Estate mean property. Entire state which one? These villages. For example, students, again I want to tell you कि ब्रिटिश सरकार जमींदारों को कुछ गांव दे दिया करते थे. They gave them some villages to the जमींदार जो कि इनकी जमींदारी के अंडर आते थे. इस विलेजेस को स्टेट कहा जाता है. स्टेट मीन राज और स्टेट मीन प्रॉपर्टी. ई आगे लग जाए तो प्रॉपर्टी. तो ये प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर एक रेवेन्यू, एक अमाउंट फिक्स कर दिया जाता था बाय द कंपनी. तो कंपनी ने जमींदार से वो रेवेन्यू लेना होता था. टू होम? फ्रॉम द जमींदार. और जमींदार किन से लेता था? इन विलेज के लोगों से. इज दैट क्लियर? So this is the process over there. So the several villages under the Jamindar, you understand? So Jamindar were expected to pay company on regular basis. जमींदार एक्सपेक्ट करता था कि वो रेगुलर पे करे ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को. जमींदार रेगुलर पे कर सके कंपनी को या ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को रेगुलर बेसिस के ऊपर जो भी रेवेन्यू है. इन द केस दे फेल टू डू सो देयर स्टेट कुड बी ऑक्शन. जैसे मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया था कि अगर वो इसको पे करने में, कंपनी वालों को पे करने में फेल हो जाता था, उसकी स्टेट की ऑक्शन हो जाती थी, मीन नीलामी हो जाती थी. सो आफ्टर परमानेंट सेटलमेंट द अर्ली डिकेड मीन टू से पहले 10 ईयर्स पीरियड में. डिकेड का मतलब होता है 10 ईयर टाइम. तो पहले स्टार्टिंग के 10 ईयर्स में तो जो जमींदार हुआ करते थे वो फेल हो जाते थे. इसको